Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to repair the screen on an iPhone 11 Pro. The reason how you know it's an iPhone 11 Pro is because it has 3 cameras on the back. The iPhone 11 only has 2, so it'll look like that, right? So let's get this out of the way. This is actually going to be an insurance job. So the insurance is going to pay me out for this. The insurance company is going to pay me $210 for this screen for an iPhone 11 Pro. In my store, I actually only charge $150 for like a regular person that's coming in, but the insurance wants to pay me an extra $60 to do it. I'm cool with it, right? This iPhone 11 Pro screen, soft OLED right here, soft OLED, it costs $60 for this. So let's do the math. $210 payout by $60. All right, you guys, I just had another customer that walked in right here. It's the same exact phone. It's another iPhone 11 Pro. The thing is like flashing. Like I said, I charge $150 for this repair for like somebody that just walks in, right? Obviously, I was talking about this is an insurance repair right here. Okay, so before the customer came in, I believe I was on this part. The charge is $210. The part costs $60. The profit is $150. This phone, like legitly, is gonna like take 15 minutes. This iPhone is easy to repair. Okay, so $150 in like 15-20 minutes, 15-20 minute job. Okay, let's go. Let's get this started. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna want to do is we're gonna take off the bottom 2 screws of the phone. And the way we're gonna do that is with an iPhone pentalobe screwdriver right here. So what we're also gonna do is use this heat gun and blow heat around the edges of the phone, and that's what's gonna allow me to open up the screen. All right, so what we're gonna do now is open up the screen, and I'm gonna use a tool like this. And I'm gonna get in between the screen and the metal frame. Then I'm gonna get a card just like this, just regular gift card, and just go around the sides of it. Like that. Now I'm gonna blow some heat up here. There we go. There we go. So you're gonna open up the phone this way, like this. So what we're gonna wanna do now is take our Y tip, like the letter Y, a Y tip screwdriver, and unplug the battery. So we're gonna take off these 2 screws right here with this little shield right here. See, here's the second one. And then I'm gonna place the little metal shield right here. I'm gonna place it with the 2 little screws that came with it. And I'm gonna unplug the battery right now. Just like that. And I'm gonna take out these 6 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna take the shield off right here, see that? And I'm gonna place it right next to it like this. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna unplug the connections right here, the screen. There's 1, 2, 3. You unplug this stuff right here. So this right here is gonna be our new screen right here, iPhone 11 Pro. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this piece, I'm gonna transfer it over here. So in order to get this out, this thing right here has 3 screws. Look, 1, 2, 3. Let's take them out. One, 2, 3. All right. So we're gonna use a heat gun right here to blow on this side because this has adhesive. You see these cables right here? There's adhesive that's has these wires stuck onto this side of the screen. If you try to just yank it out, this thing is gonna rip, and then your ear speaker is not gonna work. And then even if you replace this for a new ear speaker, this thing somehow is connected to your Face ID. Your Face ID will stop working. So you don't wanna damage the screen. So this is how I do it right here. Get a heat gun, blow heat on this side. All right, now watch this. I'm going to take this tool right here and I'm gonna slide it underneath the mic. Then I'm gonna lift up. And then this thing right here, I'm gonna slide it under here, and then I'm gonna lift that out. Then I'm gonna take the pointy side, and then I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna lift up, just like this. So now, all three pieces of those are loose. And now, this thing can come out. This thing isn't damaged at all. Perfectly fine. We don't need this anymore. We're gonna put this aside. If you guys remember, this is the cracked screen. This is gonna be the new screen. We're gonna take this plastic stuff off right here. And then what we're gonna wanna do is install this piece on here. And we're gonna start with the middle rectangle piece. This thing right here. That one right there. Gonna place it back in. Put this piece in, make sure it goes all the way in and it fits. There we go, I felt it click in. All right, now we're gonna put that one in. Now we're gonna align the microphone, just like this. Now this thing is gonna swing over like this. And then just align your screw holes. And then just put the screws back in. These three screws right here. All right, so this screen is ready to get put back into the iPhone 11 Pro. So we're just gonna connect these connections right here. I'm gonna go right here, take this one, connect it right in here. We're gonna connect this one. Wow, that popped in, or did it? Let me see. There we go. All right, and then we're gonna take this, put the shield right here, align the screw holes. All right, now we're going to put these 6 screws right back into here. All right, so that's in. Now we're gonna plug in the battery right here. Battery connection. And then with the shield that goes over it. And then put the 2 screws that go along with it. All right, so this is how we're gonna close it. We're gonna start at the top of the phone. I put my thumb here and then I just go back and forth like this. There it is. Now we gotta put these 2 screws down at the bottom. And that, everybody, is how you do an iPhone 11 Pro screen replacement. This camera, I have a Galaxy S22 now, so this is the camera I'm using. It says 13 minutes and 27 seconds that this total time has been recording. So in basically 15 minutes, how I showed you guys earlier, this was a $210 charge. The insurance company is paying me out $60 for the part, $150 in profit in 15 minutes. If any of you guys want to learn any more about the cell phone repair business, I do have a cell phone repair course. It's linked in the description underneath this video. My cell phone repair course goes over a lot of things. You can click the link, you can see all the topics on there. It goes over a major portion it's marketing. Learning how to repair phones is half the business, or half the deal, I guess you would say. Marketing is the other half, okay? I've had my store for 8.5 years. I was doing it for a year and a half before that in a coffee shop, making $9 grand a year, and until I got this store. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.